Hello, my name is Krug and I am a systems engineer at Gear 6. Today I'm going to do a brief overview of a tool that the engineers here at Gear 6 have released into the open source community for monitoring a memcached server. This tool is called Statsproxy and is designed to be very flexible and easy to use. It can interface with any memcached server, whether that be the open source version or the Gear 6 version. This tool is available via the Google Code interface. To find it, go to Google and type Statsproxy. Clicking on the first link will take you to the projects page where you can get some information and see examples. Clicking on the download link will let you get the latest version. Once you've downloaded the tool, take it to your trusty Linux box, untar the package, and run make to install it. Just running the script will give you some help output and an example configuration file. The configuration file is used to tell the Statsproxy tool what it should be displaying and from which servers. The first section describes which stats commands the tool should support. For standard memcache, you only really have the basic stats, stats items, and stats slabs. For the Gear 6 version, there are other stats like stats memory and stats storage. You can have one Statsproxy process monitor many memcached servers. In the configuration file, you specify the front-end address, which is what you will talk to access the tool, and the back-end address, which is what the tool will use to talk to the memcached server. Here is the configuration file that I'm using. You'll see the front-end address is this server on port 8080, and the back-end address is a memcached server that I have running. Now I can start up the tool using this configuration file. Next, connect to the front-end address with a web browser, and you'll be presented with the statistics. The server that you're viewing statistics for is at the top here. You can click on each of the links to get the output of the various statistics commands to that server. There's the basic stats, stats items, and stats slabs. This tool is implemented by default on the Gear 6 web cache appliance, but you can download it and use it to monitor any memcached server. The Statsproxy tool is completely open source and is under continuous development to improve it. Thanks for listening to me today, and take care.